Welcome to Shelter Food and Beer, and today I'm going to be making wings in my air fryer. Today's recipe is pickled wings made in a brine. I'm starting with some already cut up wings that I got at the supermarket, and this package that I love to buy all the time has the drums and the flats. Give them a quick rinse in the sink with cold water just to be extra safe. And what I have here is the remnants of my pickle juice from a pickle jar. Once I'm out of pickles, I don't throw the juice away, I save it because it works as my brine, which brine is basically just water and salt and some seasoning, and that's what pickle juice is. So the lid on it, give it a nice shake, and there you go. And you want to sit them in the refrigerator 12-24 hours for a good soaking. I do the same thing with my peppercini jar. Once the peppers are all gone, I get 3 hard-boiled eggs and I stick them in there, and these make the best hard-boiled eggs you'll ever have. Happen to go really good with chicken wings. Okay, it's been over 24 hours. My wings been marinated in the pickle juice, so it's time to just get them out of the jar. I don't rinse them off or anything. I just drain them and put them on a towel and dry them out. Set them up skin side up, because I'm going to put some seasoning on it and I want it to be on the skin. I really like this seasoning. It has very light lemon flavor. It's very tasty. I do all my air frying, deep frying, and even Instapot stuff outside. Set this for 350 degrees. I turn the time up all the way so I don't have to worry about it going off on me. Put the wings in skin side down first, and I'll cook it for about 10 minutes like that, and then I'll put skin side up, crank it up to max 400, and cook it for another 10 minutes, and that should be it. The 350, I'm putting them in skin side down. Come back in 10 minutes. I'll make a quick easy sauce for the dipping of my pickle wings. A nice pairing flavor would be some sour cream, horseradish, a little bit of dillweed, paprika. Not bad. It's been in here for 10 minutes. So pull it open. And yeah, they just need a shake. I try to actually turn them over. 20 minutes in. Let's see how we're doing. Oh, they are looking good. And can you hear that? I'm going to go another 5 minutes on these. You want chicken wings to be done all the way because of all the connective tissues in there. So you really want to make sure they're cooked all the way through and everything is broken down so they just fall off the bone. I cooked them 25 minutes. It was a lot of wings in a small basket. So I will turn off the timer, turn off the temperature, unplug the unit, and pour them out onto this paper towel. Time to pour myself a cold beer. While these hot wings cool down just a skosh. They're about 400 degrees coming out of the basket. Oh, looks like I'm going to need to get another keg at the store. The well-seasoned, flavorful wing that was brined for over 24 hours And yes, I have the nice dipping sauce, but I really want to taste how the brine worked and get that good pickle flavor before I dip it in anything. The skin is crispy right off the start, and that seasoning on top, beautiful, and a subtle pickle flavor seeps in on the meat. This is a quality wing. Thanks for watching Shelter Food and Beer. Better try one of those eggs too. Beautiful. If you've been missing out on the bar food like most of California has, you should try some home cooking. You should get one of these air fryers because they are amazing. If you'd like to see more videos of things I cook in my air fryer, just send me a note. Fall off the bone.